No.
Keep on going right, yeah.
Okay, we're heading to Las Vegas, guys.
Keep going.
And I-215 west to Vegas. Vegas, here we come. There we are. I think I yelled too much and they all got scared. Anyways, this is the beginning of Vegas. So there's Fiesta and then the whole skyline. Bye-bye.
And then there's like 2 airplanes in the air.
There are 2 airplanes in the air. Yeah. Okay, there's one here and one I can't locate.
One over there.
There's one over there.
So now we see the McCarran Airport also.
Okay. That's the
The
airport.
McCarran International Airport.
Okay. Let's see. So we're just heading to Vegas, and I wanted to see the skyline. The skyline's not kind of visible from here. We're on the right side. The right side basically is the airport. It's on part of the city,
Vegas Strip.
and there is the Vegas Strip.
That's the stratosphere.
That is the strip. That is the stratosphere, yes. You see the needle there? Guys, you see the needle?
Yeah, I saw that.
That needle is stratosphere.
That kind of looks like the Seattle thing too.
Where?
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
yeah,
the one.
The space
That's the
needle.
one. That looks like a space needle. That is stratosphere.